Kimasan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Kagimasu. Yung cake. Dalawa manang. Grabe yung preparation ba?
Thanks. Sis, kunti nga lang ito. Kaya ako, gamay lang yung birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dear Bunso ba si Sunshine? Dear Bunso. So sweet. That's why I miss my sister.
Nice.
Oh my gosh.
Kaya gusto niya pauwi yung sister niya dito.
Hindi, i-push ko talaga yan, sis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Kaming effort sa mga ate ba?
Wala akong pera ngayon. If I have money, then I can just order online. But right now, I'm fully paid.
Wow! Samantarang isa, hago.
This is your day, be what you want, have you a cake, buy up the mall. This is your day, let's celebrate. The world is on notice that you get your way. Happy birthday.
Say hi. Okay.
Hoy! Baka uli na si Pastor Ogma.
Di ba tuloy talaga?
Thank you, Pastor.
Ikat nyo na gagawin kasi may tama pa.
Next question, how old are you?
How old are you? Kasi birthday yan eh.
Ako lang ko na pero pa nasa kalendaryo. Okay na yun.
Parang na-surprise ako this time. Thank you guys. I appreciate it so much.
Sis, tama na sis.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.